Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn off bullet comments on Youku. So first of all, launch open Youku application. You can see over here Youku application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So what you have to do is simply find the video, movie, drama or anime that you would like to watch. After you do that, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here that particular video will be played. So if you want to turn off the bullet comments, it is actually very simple. You'll only be able to do it in the full screen mode. So what you have to do is simply tap on the full screen icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to view it in the full screen. Over here you'll be able to find various options. What you have to do is look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll be able to see this kind of icon over here. If this is on, you'll be able to see the bullet comments, but if you want to turn it off, simply tap on this icon that you can see on the screen. Now the bullet comments has been turned off. So like this, you'll be able to turn off the bullet comments. So that is how you turn off bullet comments on Youku. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.